The Toyota RAV4 Prime key fob from 2021 to 2024 often requires a battery replacement. The CR2032 battery typically lasts 1 to 3 years and can fail due to normal depletion or humidity exposure. A battery swap with a CR2032 lithium coin cell is usually the fix. Make sure the positive side faces up when inserting. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob. First, locate the small notch on the fob's edge near the keyring hole. Carefully insert the pry tool and gently twist to separate the two halves. Avoid forcing to prevent damage. Once separated, remove the old battery and replace it with the new CR2032, positive side up. Snap the case back together and test the remote functions. DIY replacement saves $50 to $150 compared to dealership service. If issues persist, reset by pressing buttons rapidly or have it reprogrammed. If the key fob case is hard to open, gently apply low heat using a hairdryer on low setting to soften any adhesive. Be careful not to overheat and damage the internal components. After replacing the battery, if the remote still doesn't work, corrosion on the battery contacts may be the issue. Clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol. If problems continue, the fob may require reprogramming. While rechargeable CR2032 alternatives exist, Toyota recommends standard, non-rechargeable CR2032 batteries for optimal compatibility. Properly dispose of the old battery by recycling it. Avoid overprying, as this can break the internal circuit board. For battery corrosion prevention, consider keeping the key fob in a less humid environment.